Next week goes the next part of the chapter. That one is equation reducible to the linear form. The last part of the chapter. Okay. So then we know how to we do this type of question. We already learned how to be make as in the simpler form of the equation. Correct. So what is the first question? The first question is solve x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. Correct. So we started like this. X plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. Then I told you in the last session what is that? If you got the fraction in the both side of equality sign, then only the steps, what is next? Then we follow only one step. What is that one? Yes, then next is cross multiplication. The next step is cross multiplication. Correct? The both side of equality sign, we got it the fraction. So we know what is the next steps. Next step is cross multiplication. അല്ലേ മക്കളെ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ തവണ എന്താണ് കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം ഇക്വാളിറ്റി സൈഡിന്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും ആർ എച്ച് എസിലും എൽ എച്ച് എസിലും ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആണുള്ളതെങ്കിൽ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഫോം ആണുള്ളതെങ്കിൽ വേറെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഒന്നും ഇല്ലാതെ വെറും ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂവെങ്കിൽ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ കറക്റ്റ് ദെൻ therefore what is next we cross multiply 8 into x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 8 into x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 3. It's a combination of 2x is a term. This an expression is a term of 2x and 3. So we need to put the bracket. Okay. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ടേം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എപ്പോൾ എന്തിട്ട് കൊടുക്കണം ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് കൊടുക്കണം. Okay. Then what is next? Expand the bracket. 8 into x 8x plus 8 into 1 8 is equal to 3 into 2x 6x 3 into 3 9. Okay. The next we take the variables in one side and numbers on the other side. The next step what is that? 8x that is remaining the side of LHS, then we transpose 6x to the side of 8x, then is plus 6x, correct? 6x is adding with 9, so is transposing time minus 6x is equal to what is remaining here 9. Then if we transposing plus 8, we adding 8 to the 8x, correct? 8 എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത് 8x നോട് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു നമ്മൾ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്താവും മൈനസ്. So 8x minus 6x is equal to 2x. 8x minus 6x is equal to 2x. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 divided by 2. So what is the value of x? The value of x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, we know this method, only the difference. Here this side is not have a variable containing term, variables. Okay. Then the both side of equality sign, if we got it the fraction, what is the next? Cross multiplication. മക്കളെ ഇത് മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. The next question is solve 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Correct? Then what is the difference? In the one side of the equality sign only we got it here fraction. Correct? But in the numerator and denominator containing the term with variable, correct? So the solve 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15 is very easy. Then how do we do? We write once again the question 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Then only one side, the LHS only containing the fraction form, and numerator and denominator have the variable, correct? Variable containing term. So this type of question means in the only one side of equality sign have a fraction, other side is only a number, only a term containing the variable. Then what is the next steps? The next step is just transpose the denominator first. Okay, എന്താണ് മക്കളെ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയ ടേം ഇങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഇങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെ ഒരു സൈഡ് ഇക്വാളിറ്റി സൈഡിന്റെ ഒരു സൈഡിൽ മാത്രം ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ മറ്റേ സൈഡിൽ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഇല്ല, അതിന് പകരം എന്താണ് ഒന്നിക്കൽ ഇവിടെ നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ വാരിയബിൾ ഉള്ള ഒരു ടേം ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, is one side of the equality sign containing fraction and other side is a constant, is a number, or otherwise single term, the term containing the variable, then only one step. What is next? We transpose the denominator first. Okay, ഇവിടെ എക്സ് ഉള്ള ഒരു ടേം ആയാലും നമ്പർ ആയാലും സിംഗിൾ ടേം, ഒറ്റ സിംഗിൾ ടേം ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു സൈഡിൽ മാത്രമാണ് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എന്താണ്? ഏത് ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യുക? ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യുക. സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എന്താണ്? ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, then what is next? The next is 9x. 9x is equal to, next expand the bracket, 15 into 7 105. Therefore 9x is equal to, we expand the bracket, 15 into 7. What is 15 into 7? 15 into 7 is 105. Minus symbol, minus 15 into 6x. 15 into 6x is equal to 90x. 90x, correct? 90x. Then we transpose the 90x, x containing term in one side, okay, and we keep the constant in the left, right side itself. Then we, what is the changes? It's a minus 90x, subtracting 90x, then transposing time, plus 9x plus 90x is equal to 105. Okay, then what is next? Therefore 9x plus 90x is 99x is equal to 105. Therefore x is equal to 105 divided by 99. Is very clear, is not possible to divide it by 105 and 99, but both are is possible to reduce by 3. Correct? What do you get? We get how many times? 3 goes to 105. 10. How many times? 3 times. Correct? 3 times. 3 into 3 is 9. Then 1 is balance. 15. 5 times. 35. And 99. 3. 3. Then 33. Then what is the answer? Answer is 35 by 33. Okay? What is the value of x? The value of x is equal to 35 by 33. Then we go to the next question. What is the question? Percentages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. Then we go to the next question. The question is, percentages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. Okay, then the ratio means is a fraction also. Ratio is a fraction also. Okay, that is 1:2 is same as 1/2. 1:2 is same as 1/2. Clear? 5:6 is same as 5/6. That we apply here. Then what is the question? The question is same. Is given, what is that? Percentages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. Here is given the ratios of the percentages of two persons. Correct? Then it's possible to take the percentages of them. We know the question based on the ages, what are we take? We always take the percentages. We starting from the percentages. Correct? So for writing the percentages is directly given the ratios of percentages. Correct? Then what is the next question? The question saying 8 years from now. 8 years from now means after 8 years. After 8 years, what is the ratio of their ages? The ages will be 5:6. After 8 years, their ages will be 5:6. Then what is the question? Find their present ages. Okay? Then how do we start? We have the two person. Then we have the two conditions. First one is present age. Correct? Present age. Present age. What is the percentages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 4 is representing the age of Anu and 5 is representing the age of Raj. Is a ratio. Then how do we write? We know. We already learned it. Am I right? Yes. How to write? That one is 4x and 5x. ലോകൾ എന്താണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്? ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ വയസ്സുകൾ തമ്മിലുള്ള റേഷ്യോ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ വയസ്സുകൾ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാൻ അറിയാം. പ്രസന്റ് ഏജ് ഓഫ് അനു is equal to 4x. Present age of Raj is 5x. Okay. Then what is next? Next is given 8 years from now. അല്ലേ? പിന്നെ റേഷ്യോ പറയുന്നത് ഏത് വയസ്സിന്റെ കാര്യമാണ്? 8 വർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് ശേഷമുള്ള വയസ്സിന്റെ കാര്യമാണ്. 8 years from now. Correct? So what is next? Age after 8 years. Age after 8 years. Then now the present age is 4x. Then how do we write the age after 8 years? 8 വർഷത്തിന് ശേഷമുള്ള വയസ്സ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? Yes, we know we need to add 8 to the present. Correct? Then age is 4x plus 8. What is the age of Raj after 8 years? That one is 5x plus 8. Okay, then is given the relation of these two. അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് എപ്പോഴും റിലേഷൻ പറയുന്നത്, ഇക്വേഷൻ ഫോം ചെയ്യാനുള്ള റിലേഷൻ പറയുന്നത് ഒന്നിക്കൽ ഒരുപാട് വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരുപാട് വർഷം മുന്നേയുള്ള വയസ്സുകൾ തമ്മിലാണ്. സോ ഹിയർ ഈസ് ഗിവൺ ദ റിലേഷൻ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ റിലേഷൻ? നൗ ദ 8 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. That means 8 years after we got it their ages 4x plus 8 and 5x plus 8. Then what is given? These two ages, the ratio of these two ages is equal to 5:6. Okay. And then what is next? Given therefore 4x plus 8 is to 5x plus 8 is equal to 5:6. Okay. Then now we wrote this one in the form of ratio. Okay. But for doing the work we need to convert in the form of fraction. Is it given here? അല്ലേ, 8 വർഷം മുമ്പുള്ള അവരുടെ വയസ്സുകൾ തമ്മിലുള്ള റേഷ്യോ എത്രയാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്? 5:6. So for doing the work we need to convert in the form of fraction. That I told you how to write. 1:2 is same as 1/2. 1:2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഫോം നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് എഴുതുക മക്കളെ? 1/2. 3:5 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മൾ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഫോമിൽ എഴുതും. എങ്ങനെ എഴുതുക? 3/5. 5:3 എങ്ങനെ എഴുതും? 5/3. As like 4x plus 8 is to 5x plus 8, we write as 4x plus 8. 4x plus 8 by 5x plus 8 is equal to, how to write? 5/6. Okay, 5/6. Then what you got it now? We got it now. 4x plus 8 by 5x plus 8 is equal to 5/6. Then what is next? The both side of equality sign we got it now in the form of fraction. Correct? So what is next? Yes, cross multiplication. Then therefore 6 into 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 8. Okay, 6 into 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 8. The next, expand the bracket. 6 into 4x, 24x, plus 6 into 8, 48, is equal to 5 into 5x, 25x, plus this plus, correct? Plus 5 into 8, 40. Then what is next? Next we take the variables in one side and numbers on the other side. Then we take it where we multiply the x on the bigger number. Here the RHS we multiply the bigger number with x, correct? Is 25, here is 24. We transposing 24 to the side of 25. So we transpose 40 to the side of 48. Correct? Then both are adding there. Correct? Operation എന്താണ് രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും addition ആണ്. So what is next? Then we write first 48. Then we transposing 40 that side. Then what is the changes? Minus 40 is equal to, what is remaining now here? 25x. Then what is transposing from there? 24x. That is minus 24x. 48 minus 40. What is 48 minus 40? That is equal to 8. Then 25x minus 24x. 25x minus 24x is equal to 1x. 1x is same as x. Then what is the value of x? The value of x is equal to 8. Correct? Then now we got it the value of x. Then it's possible to write therefore present of Anu is equal to 4 into 8 is equal to 32. Present age of Raj equal to 5x. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. So now we got it, the percentage of Anu and Raj. Ideas are same, only the different here we write the second ratio in the form of fraction. ഓക്കെ, റേഷ്യോനെ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ കൂടി എഴുതാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റും മക്കളെ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെ കൂടി എഴുതണം വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ, എങ്ങനെയാണ് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? വി കൺവേർട്ട് ദ റേഷ്യോ ഇൻ ദ ഫോം ഓഫ് fraction. That is only the difference. Okay, the next we go in the next question. The question is, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8 if the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. We know what is rational number, correct? What is rational number? We know what is rational number. What is rational number? Any number can be written in the form of p by q. Any number is possible to write in the form of p by q is called rational number, correct? A number is possible to write in the form of p by q is called a rational number, correct? So here what is the question? Then we know is a p by q form we have a numerator and denominator. Then what is the relation of numerator and denominator? The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. That means is more than, the denominator is more than its numerator by 8. അല്ലേ, എന്താണ് നമ്മളെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ പറയുന്നത്? ഇവിടെ റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമുക്കറിയാം അത് ഏത് ഫോമിലായിരിക്കും? പി ബൈ ക്യൂ ഫോമിലായിരിക്കും. പി ആൻഡ് ക്യൂ ആർ ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് ക്യൂ ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഈക്വൽ ടു 0. correct? Then what is the relation of p and q? That means numerator and denominator is given directly. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആ റാഷണൽ നമ്പറിന്റെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ അതിന്റെ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിനേക്കാൾ എത്ര കൂടുതലുണ്ട്? is more than 8. is more than, correct? Greater than is more than 8. Then what is given? If the numerator is increased by 17 after, for we write it a rational number, after what is the changes happened in the numerator and denominator? The numerator is increasing. How much? Is 17, increased by 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1. That time we get a result. What is the result? Result is 3 by 2. What is find the rational number? Find the rational number means what is the rational number we need to take for first. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ എടുക്കേണ്ട ആ റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ എത്രയാണ് എന്നതാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. Okay, then in every cases we know we need to write a rational number first. In that rational number we need to take a one numerator and denominator. We need to find here, for writing the rational number we need to find both numerator and denominator. So we know that it's not possible to take both are at a time the variable. So we read it once again the question, which one is the base for saying the other? ഏതിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് പറയുന്നത് എന്ന് നോക്കണം അല്ലേ, എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് വാരിയബിൾ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ വളരെ കൃത്യമാണ്. Here is given the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. അല്ലേ, ആ റാഷണൽ നമ്പറിന്റെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിനേക്കാൾ എത്ര കൂടുതലാണ് എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്? 8 കൂടുതലാണ്. ഇസ് മോർ ദാൻ 8. അല്ലേ, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് പറയുന്നു. So what we choose as the variable, we choose the numerator as the variable. So how do we write? We are writing the rational number directly. Rational number is equal to What is the variable? We choose the variable as the numerator x by. Then what is the relation of numerator and denominator? Denominator is 8 more than the numerator. Numerator എത്രയാണ് ഉള്ളത് അതിനേക്കാൾ എത്ര കൂടുതലുണ്ട് എത്ര അധികമുണ്ട് 8. Then how to be write? Is 8 more than we are representing x plus 8. ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിനോട് എത്ര ആഡ് ചെയ്തതാണ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 8 അല്ലേ. the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിനേക്കാൾ എത്ര കൂടുതലാണ് 8 കൂടുതലാണ്. കൂടുതൽ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ സിമ്പിൾ എന്താണ്? It's a plus. Then our rational number is x by x plus 8. Okay. Then the next, what is the changes happen in the numerator and denominator? The next step, if the numerator is increased by 17, the numerator is increasing. How much? 17. Increase means is adding additionally, correct? Is adding again 17. ഇതിനോട് കൂടി എത്ര കൂടുന്നു 17. Then how to represent? Then what happen? Therefore, how to write? The numerator will change. It will increasing 17. So x plus 17 by. What happened the denominator? The denominator is decreased by 7. Then what is now the denominator? Denominator is x plus 8. Then what happened the denominator? X plus 8 is reducing, decreasing by 1. ഒന്ന് കുറയുന്നു. Correct? Is equal to, what you get that time? The number obtained is 3 by 2. അപ്പോൾ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ 17 കൂടുകയും ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ 1 കുറയുകയും ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എത്രയാണ് നമ്പർ കിട്ടുക എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് 3 by 2. Okay, then what is next? Therefore x plus 17 is x plus 17. Then here is possible to subtract 8 and 1. 8 minus 1. What is 8 minus 1? 8 minus 1 is 7. Then x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. X plus 17 by x plus 17 by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Then the both side of equalities and we got it in the form of fraction. Then what is next? Cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. Okay, 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. Then what is next? Expand the bracket. 2 into x, 2x. Plus 2 into 17, 34. Is equal to 3 into x, 3x. Plus 3 into 7, 21. Correct? 3 into 7, 21. Then what is next? We take the variables in one side and numbers on the other side. Okay? We take the variables in one side and numbers on the other side. What is next? Then 3x is bigger. Then we transpose 3x to the side of 2x the side of 3x. And 34 is bigger. So we transpose 21 in the side of 34. Then what changes? 34. Correct? We transposing plus 21 in the side of 31 is minus 21 is equal to 3x is remaining 3x minus 2x. 4 minus 21. What is 34 minus 21 is 13. Correct? 13. Then 3x minus 2x is equal to x. Therefore, we got it the value of x. What is the value of x? The value of x is equal to 13. What is x? X is the numerator. Therefore, rational, we need to write the rational number. Therefore, rational number is equal to rational number x by means 13 by. What is denominator? Denominator is x plus 8. X plus 8 means 13 plus 8 is equal to 13 by 21. So, what is the rational number? The rational number is 13 by 21. Okay? I think you got it this.